Welcome back guys to the channel. Today I am here with an Honda CBR650r sport bike. The best part about this bike is that it is powered by a 600cc inline 4-stroke. This bike is a beast when it comes to racing. It has a maximum output power of 85 horsepower and a torque of 63 Newton meter at 8,000 revolutions per minute. If you are looking for a bike as a beginner, I would recommend you to buy a Honda CBR650r because it has a very easy control, and the power output is minimum. It can be controlled by a beginner. It weighs 199 kilogram, that is approximately 438 pounds weight. So it is light. The seat height is 810 millimeter from the ground, that is 31 inches if adjustable lower settings. And the ground clearance, it has a 155 millimeter ground clearance. The fuel capacity, it has a 15.52 liters, that is for 4.10 US gallon. And the color option, you can get a Grand Prix fresh ride. The starter is electric and the